Today, let us learn few of the basic terminologies in the pre-stressed concrete. Here I have shown the diagram. So this is a tendon here, over here, and this is the casting bed, and there is a beam which is being pre-stressed. Okay, so this is the tendon anchorage. Okay, first let us understand what is a tendon. Tendon, it is a stretched element which is used in a concrete member of a structure to impart the pre-stress, okay, to the concrete. Generally, a high tensile steel wires or bars, cables, strands are used as the tendons. So this is a tendon. Okay. Next, what is anchorage? Anchorage here, this is tendon anchorage. It is a device generally used to enable the tendon to impart and maintain the pre-stress in the concrete. Okay, nothing but tendon anchorage means it helps this tendon to impart the pre-stress to this beam and maintaining it. Okay, that is the anchorage. So there are various types of anchorages: Fressinet anchorage, Magnell-Blayton anchorage, and Lee-McCall BBRV systems. There are various types of anchorages. Okay, so this is about the tendon and what is the anchorage. Next is, there are very two important terms in pre-stressed concrete. Okay, how the pre-stress is imparted to any beam or any element, okay, or member. Okay, first is the method is pre-tensioning, and one more method is post-tensioning. Okay, so what is pre-tensioning? A method of pre-stressing concrete in which the tendons are tensioned before the concrete is placed. Okay, means the tensioning is given to the tendon before placing of the concrete. Okay, the pre-stress is imparted here to the concrete by the bond between the steel and concrete. Okay, so before placement of the concrete, in pre-tensioning, the tendons are tensioned. Then what is post-tensioning? A method of pre-stressing concrete by tensioning the tendons against hardened concrete. Okay, this method, the pre-stress is imparted to concrete by the bearing. So this is difference between the pre-tensioning and post-tensioning. In pre-tensioning, the tendons are tensioned before placing of concrete, and in post-tensioning, against the hardened concrete, the tensioning of the tendon is done. Okay. Next is, what is axial pre-stressing? Axial pre-stressing means the members in which entire cross section of the concrete has the uniform compressive pre-stress. Okay. In this type of pre-stressing, the centroid of the tendons, it coincides with that of the cross section. Means, suppose you are taking a rectangular section, okay, here. Okay, so we know that the centroid, it is at half, that is d by 2 at center. Okay, then if you are applying the pre-stress at the center, then it is coinciding, the pre-stress is coinciding with the centroid of this rectangular section, then it is called as the axial pre-stressing. Next is, what is eccentric pre-stressing? A section at which the tendons are eccentric to the centroid. Here the centroid is at the d by 2 here. Okay, then pre-stressing is applied at this point, so it is eccentric, then it is called as eccentric pre-stressing. So this type of pre-stressing, it will result in the triangular or trapezoidal type of the stress distribution. That how to find the stress distribution in the later videos, I will solve the problems on that, then you will understand about this one. Okay, so basically if the pre-stress is coinciding with the centroid of the section, it is called as axial pre-stressing. If it is not coinciding with the centroid, then it is called as eccentric pre-stressing. Next is, what is uniaxial, what is biaxial, and what is triaxial pre-stressing. Okay, first is, if the concrete is pre-stressed in only one direction, like this, only one direction, then it is called as uniaxial. By the name itself, you can very easily understand it is called as uniaxial pre-stressing. If it is applied in two mutually perpendicular directions, then it is called as biaxial pre-stressing. If pre-stressing is applied in the three mutually perpendicular directions, this is uniaxial, this is biaxial, okay, two mutually perpendicular directions, and if in three mutually perpendicular directions it is applied, then it is called as triaxial pre-stressing. Okay. Then what is circular pre-stressing? It refers to pre-stressing in round members, such as in the tanks and pipes, like this, throughout the surrounding, that is around the periphery of the circular section. If the pre-stress is applied like this, it is called as the circular pre-stressing. These are the very few basic terminologies regarding the pre-stressed concrete. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make videos on any of the topics of your interest, or if you are finding difficulty in any of the topic in civil engineering, please mention in the comment section so that I can make a detailed video so that you can understand thoroughly your topic. Okay. Thank you.